Is the Surge system from Armory, and Armory is a Gurugram-based defense tech company. And so this is the Surge gun, and then this is the Surge backpack. And I've got Amar, who is one of the founders of this company, to explain how this system works. So what am I holding here? What am I carrying?
So the system is called Surge, and what is on your back is the main system. It has antennas on top, which basically detect drones at 5 kilometers away. So if there is an enemy drone flying 5 kilometers away, it can detect it. And what you have in your hand is called the jammer gun, which is typically connected using a cable. Using this, you can just point it towards the drone, and it is going to jam the communication.
How does that work? Is it this unit here?
So essentially, a lot of the intelligence is on the backpack.
Okay.
This is primarily, think of it as the antennas. So what you see in the front are basically antennas which can jam any drone in a cone of 40 degrees. So there is a tablet also on which you can see the drone position. So you just point it towards the drone and then it can jam it.
Okay. And so this system would typically be carried by one unit in an infantry group.
Correct. So this is a man pack system. So there are a few categories. One is man pack. A single person can carry the whole system himself. Man portable, 2 to 3 people. That is a slightly bigger size system. Vehicle mounted systems, which are already there on a vehicle, which are more mobile, typically would have longer ranges. But
Okay.
yeah, this is a man pack system.
And why are there 4 different antennae on the top?
So 4 are required to do a 360 degree direction of the drone. So part 1 is finding the drone, if there is a drone at all. And then second is where exactly is it, because eventually you want to point the gun towards the drone. So 4 are needed to know the 360 degree position of the.
And I have to imagine there's AI happening somewhere here. Would
Yes.
it be happening on device, on the edge, or would it be cloud connected?
You know, there's absolutely nothing cloud connected. Everything is running on the edge in the system. So all the compute. So essentially, like a very broad level system configuration is that there are antennas, then they are connected to some filters, then they are connected to a software defined radio, which converts the radio frequency signals into digital format, which then goes into an AI model, which basically filters out the noise and finds out, tells you that, okay, these are the drone signals.
And how much of this unit is made in India versus sourced from outside?
So all of the design, development, manufacturing is being done in India. Other than the semiconductors that we do not make in India, everything has been designed here, being manufactured here. We are in Gurgaon. We have set up a 1-acre factory to set up the production of the system. We have got some orders from the government and we have to supply to them. So right now it's in production phase.
My only recommendation would be to partner with Mokobara for the comfort factor.